rock girl. Like it's a rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways.
Hello, my friends. Are you ready for another episode of a 30-second card in, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, we have fun. That's all that matters, and whatever, right? So I have a lot of stuff on my desk. We've taped videos all day today, and I don't know if you know that, but we tape for each month we tape a whole day of videos in one day for the whole month. So I just have a lot of random stuff. This is the last video of the day, and I have random stuff on my desk from all the videos. And, you know, as soon as, it's getting closer later in the day, so of course I start thinking about food. And Ken said he's cooking tonight, so I'm excited about that. Let's see. I have all these colors left over, and you can tell they're scraps because one's cut up a little bit. And so I just have some colors laying here, and I was talking about this Birthday Wishes pattern paper pad today. So I have that here. I have this die here because this one is new this month, so it's laying on my desk, so it's here too. And I just have some random embellishments. Who knows what I have over here? I have some stamps laying around. You never know what I'm going to need. I have some ribbons back there if I need them. I figure I'm ready. I don't plan these at all. This is as much planning as I do, so we just have fun. It doesn't matter, right? Okay, Kenneth. Did you take a shower today? Your hair's all messed up. Were you wearing a hat? Okay. He got to go to the office today. Now he's going to put his hoodie on. I should take a picture of what you look like right now. He's wearing his Raiders sweatshirt, and he has his hoodie on now because I was making fun of his hair. Whatever. Okay. Kenneth. On your marks. I'm trying to think. Get set. Start the time. Okay, so we're going to grab our Big Shot Plus machine because that one is much faster. I don't have to trim down any papers. Let's grab that yellow. Let's get the largest die in the kit. This one is going to cut my card base. So I'm going to have a yellow card base. We're going to run that through. Faster, 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 faster. Okay, run that baby through. And now we have our card base. We're going to fold that on the perfect score line that it's created. Did you start the time? Oh, I said, oh my gosh, I cracked myself up. Oh my gosh, I'm so, whatever. Okay, now, I'm so stupid. Okay, so I'm going to add a layer there. I'm adding my magic rectangle. Oh, he's going to laugh at me about that one. I'm adding that there, and I'm doing a thank you card because, I'm going to do something special. Because I'm going to do You Are So Kind. Because I have some thank you cards I need to write to some wonderful people. So I'm going to lay that down and I'm going to run this through. Now this has a lot of blade, the You Are So Kind. So instead of trying to pick out all those little pieces, I just run it back through. It's faster. And then that way you know it's really cut well and it'll just kind of fall apart. All the ickies will fall right out and then you don't have to worry about it. So watch this. Look, they just kind of, whoo, look at that. Look at that. Perfect, right? One little piece is missing. There. Look at that. So fast. So much easier than poke, 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 poke. And now I'm thinking I want some white behind that because we don't want too much yellow. So let's grab this white. Oh, pattern paper. Let's do pattern paper instead. Ooh, let's look. Ooh, yellow. Oh, the yellow stars. Stars so far are going to be my choice. And yeah, I'm going to take those stars. Okay, so let's do these stars in the background because we don't want it to be boring background. And let's lay that down and let's get our cutting pad. It's nice to have a colored cutting pad so you can find it. Run that baby through. So I have the You Are So Kind. And let's get this out of the way. And we're going to add adhesive to this. Okay, and we're going to add this. And look how it layers so perfectly all the way around. A little less. There we go. All the way around with those cute little baby scallops. And then we have the You Are So Kind. So we're going to add adhesive. I have a paper cut on my finger, and I'm telling you, it hurts like there's no tomorrow. I got to use it from the cardboard on something. So now I'm going to add this down. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? Add that, and I have one icky right there I see. Hang on. See this little icky? I have an icky there. Get that icky out. And an icky there. Okay, there. Oh, look at that. So you are so kind. So now what I want to do, I was kind of thinking, I want to show you how to use this thanks, but by itself. You can do that, and let's just use it. And oh, wait. Let's get some adhesive sheet, and we're going to add this to white. So we're going to lay that down, and I don't have time to trim that down, so I'm going to pay attention to where I am. I'm going to lay that down right there, and I'm going to run this through smaller die, smaller cutting pad. Run that through. Come on, catch it. There we go. Lots of blade, and it's an extra layer, so we're just going to run it back. Okay, and then check this out. We have this, and whoops, come on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it, because remember, that was a drop-in die. That was not a normal die that I used. That was a drop-in die, and I'm looking for my pink scissors. Oh, they're there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim here, and this does take an extra second, but it kind of gives new life to this die. And we're going to trim there. And I'm trying to get this out of here, and let's go around it. This is probably not, if I'm in a hurry, probably not the best way to do it. But okay, there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this. Remember, this is normally a drop-in die, so I'm just going to trim along that S right there, where it would normally stay in the die, right? So I'm trimming there. And now I'm going to have this beautiful thanks word, which is going to be really fun. And we're going to trim it there. And trim it there to get it out of that thanks. And look at this, isn't this fun? And we're going to trim it there and trim it there. And I really don't want, whoops, hang on, let's get that off of there. Okay. So look at how fun that is. Now I really don't want this big bottom here, but I actually do, because I'm going to do something different to it. So watch this. So I'm going to open this up, I'm going to lay this down, and you're going to think I planned this and I didn't, but it's going to look really cool. I'm going to peel all this up because I have that adhesive sheet on the back, and I'm going to lay this down right here. And you're going, why did she leave that big thing there? But watch this. I need to stamp. And ooh, this is Flower Power to Fill. We're going to open this up really quick. This one's new. It's not, I mean, it's not new to the Stamps of Life, but it's new to this is a new stamps. Okay, so a little note of, look at this, check this out. A little note of thanks. Now what I'm doing is I'm laying these stamps regular side down, so stamp image down. Then I'm going to go like this, and now they're perfectly layered on my stamp set, on my block. And then I'm going to get some ink, and ink this baby up. First time on scratch paper, because it's a brand new stamp set. Then I'm going to ink it up again. And look at this. Look at this. Look at what I'm doing. Isn't this cute? And I'm going to add that right there. A little note of thanks. And I should have used my secret weapon. Whew. Okay. Got that. Now I want to add a little bit more. And I had some washi tape here earlier, but I don't think I have it anymore. So, oh, I do have it. Does this match? Oh, it kind of matches. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I just want to do this just right here to cover up the fact that that's kind of weird. And so we're going to lay that down, tear that there, and I want to, this is taking way too long, I know, but whatever. Okay, so we're going to trim this down just a little on that edge, because I don't want it to be further. See, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Trim this. These scissors are nice and sharp. Peel that up. Get that off. Come on. Come on. Oh man, this is going to be like a 20-minute card. I can already feel it. Okay, last but not least, hang on, okay. Last but not least, we need some embellishments. So let's add, I wish I had some stars. I don't think I have any stars. I don't think I have any stars handy. These might be better. These might be better. Okay, so I'm just going to add some of these around here. 2, 3, 4. Always do odd numbers. 5. And then, last but not least, we need some ribbon. Ribbon. And where's it going? Okay, so let's add this. We're almost done, Ken, so get ready. Finally, almost done. He's like going, gosh, I took a nap already. So now we're going to trim this. We're going to tie this. This is cute, though. Okay, tie this. And we're going to trim this. Ken, get ready. Trim this. Stop, 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 stop. He's like shaking his head. I'm sorry. That's rude. Oh, it did not hurt. Shut up. Okay, so let's look at the card and then you can tell me the time. And Katie just texted me and asked me what's for dinner. Okay, so here we have, you are so kind. You're going to open it up and it says, thanks, a little note of thanks. That is actually really, really cute on the inside. So I get bonus points, Kenny, for the cuteness of how cute this is on the inside. Just saying. He's like, oh no. Okay. So I'm going to think that this was probably like, I'm worried this is like 8 minutes. So, okay, so I'm going to say, if you're not careful, he's making faces at me. I should take his picture. Tell me what it is. Oh, yeah. That's good because I thought it was going to be 8 minutes. How can you make fun of that? That's good. He's laughing. Okay, so I thought it was going to be 8 minutes and it is under 8 minutes. That is all that matters. We should just call it a day right now and just move on to dinner, right? Right? He's saying yes, but I should probably tell you what it really was, the time. All that matters is that it was under 8 minutes. And don't forget, I did this special little technique on the inside. So the grand number was, are you ready? 7 minutes and 59 seconds. Yes! I'm such a dork. I love doing these videos. And if you're still watching this, thank you, because that means you're probably a little bit as crazy as I am. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in less than 8 minutes. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. She don't wear the white dress anymore. Don't close your eyes, you know. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm here with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look